Hey everyone, welcome back. Looking for the best juicer to enjoy fresh, nutrient-rich juice at home? In today's video, I'm counting down the top 6 best juicers that deliver powerful performance, easy cleanup, and incredible value. Whether you're a fitness enthusiast, home cook, or tech lover, there's a perfect option waiting for you. Let's dive in and find your next favorite juicer. But before we get started, make sure to check the link in the description below if you want to know the latest price and more information. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest top product reviews. Kitchen Product Insights.
Product number 1. Hurom H320 Cold Press Juicer. Taking the number 1 spot is the Hurom H320 Cold Press Juicer, a premium machine designed for anyone serious about healthy living. Featuring Hurom's advanced slow squeeze technology, it extracts maximum juice while preserving vitamins, minerals, and natural flavors. Its extra-large self-feeding hopper lets me add whole fruits and vegetables with minimal prep, making juicing faster and easier. The quiet motor makes it perfect for early mornings, while the elegant design complements any modern kitchen. I also appreciate its excellent juice yield and dry pulp output, ensuring very little waste. Cleaning is surprisingly simple thanks to the thoughtfully designed components. Whether I'm making green juices, fruit blends, or nut milk, the H320 consistently delivers smooth, delicious results. If you're looking for a high-end cold-pressed juicer that combines convenience, performance, and durability, the Hurom H320 is an outstanding investment for long-term healthy living.
Product number 2. LinkChef Cold Press Juicer. Coming in at number 2 is the LinkChef Cold Press Juicer, an affordable yet impressive option for everyday juicing. Its powerful slow-speed extraction system helps retain nutrients while minimizing oxidation, giving me fresher, healthier juice every time. The wide feed chute reduces preparation time because many fruits and vegetables fit without excessive cutting. I especially like how quietly it operates, making it ideal for busy households. The reverse function prevents clogging and keeps juicing smooth, even with fibrous ingredients like celery and kale. Cleanup is quick since the removable parts are easy to rinse and assemble. Despite its budget-friendly price, the LinkChef delivers excellent juice yield and dependable performance. It's a fantastic choice for beginners, families, or anyone who wants a reliable cold-pressed juicer without spending a fortune. Overall, it offers impressive value and consistent results for daily healthy juice routines. Product number 3. Cannoli 3-in-1 Cold Press Juicer C16. At number 3 is the versatile Cannoli 3-in-1 Cold Press Juicer C16, offering multiple functions in one compact appliance. This innovative juicer is designed to handle fruits, vegetables, and even additional food preparation tasks depending on its included accessories. Its slow masticating technology produces nutrient-rich juice while preserving natural taste and reducing oxidation. I appreciate its compact footprint because it fits comfortably on most kitchen countertops without taking up much space. The powerful motor efficiently processes leafy greens, apples, carrots, and citrus fruits with ease. Safety features and user-friendly controls make it suitable for both beginners and experienced home cooks. Cleaning is also hassle-free thanks to detachable, dishwasher-friendly components. If you want a multifunctional kitchen appliance that goes beyond standard juicing while maintaining excellent juice quality, the Cannoli C16 offers flexibility, convenience, and excellent overall value for modern households. Product number 4. AMZ Chef Cold Press Juicer. The AMZ Chef Cold Press Juicer secures the 4th position thanks to its outstanding combination of performance, affordability, and sleek design. Its upgraded auger slowly extracts juice while maintaining valuable nutrients and reducing foam. I enjoy using it for everything from leafy greens and wheatgrass to apples, oranges, and berries. The compact design looks great in any kitchen while taking up minimal counter space. Its reverse function helps prevent blockages, making operation smooth and stress-free. The juicer is also surprisingly quiet, allowing me to prepare healthy drinks without disturbing the household. Assembly and cleaning are simple because each part is clearly designed for easy removal.
For anyone looking for an efficient cold-pressed juicer that consistently produces flavorful juice without stretching the budget, the AMZ Chef offers dependable quality, excellent juice yield, and great everyday usability.
Product number 5, Freda Cold Press Juicer. Landing at number 5 is the Freda Cold Press Juicer, a stylish and reliable machine built for everyday health-conscious users. Its slow extraction system helps preserve nutrients while delivering smooth, flavorful juice with minimal oxidation. I really like the generous feed chute, which cuts down preparation time by accepting larger fruit and vegetable pieces. The efficient motor handles carrots, apples, celery, leafy greens, and citrus fruits with ease while maintaining quiet operation. The anti-drip design keeps my countertops clean, and the reverse function minimizes clogging during longer juicing sessions. Cleaning is refreshingly easy because the detachable components rinse quickly after use. Whether I'm making morning green juice or refreshing fruit blends, the Freda consistently delivers satisfying performance. It's a dependable choice for anyone seeking an affordable cold press juicer that balances convenience, efficiency, and healthy results.
Product number 6, Ninja NeverClog Cold Press Juicer. Rounding out today's list is the Ninja NeverClog Cold Press Juicer, a trusted name known for durability and user-friendly performance. Its NeverClog technology is designed to power through hard fruits and fibrous vegetables while maintaining smooth operation. I appreciate the customizable pulp control, allowing me to choose between less pulp or more pulp, depending on my preference. The compact design fits neatly on my kitchen counter, and the quiet motor makes it convenient for daily use. Cleanup is fast because the removable parts are dishwasher safe. Whether I'm juicing leafy greens, apples, carrots, or citrus fruits, the Ninja consistently delivers flavorful, nutrient-rich juice. Combining dependable performance, customizable features, and easy maintenance, it's an excellent option for beginners and experienced juicing enthusiasts alike who want a reliable cold-pressed juicer from a well-known brand. Thanks for watching my countdown of the top 6 best juicers. If you found this review helpful, please like, comment with your favorite juicer, and subscribe for more honest product reviews. Don't forget to check the links in the description for the latest prices and more product details.